If you'd like to add an occasional teacher into a course, first log into Brightspace and then select the 3x3 squares at the top. This will bring you to select a course. Here you'll want to type in the last name of the teacher, the course code of the teacher, and then the semester of the teacher. So Gomes PPL 20 2021 semester 1. Press enter and you should be able to find the course that you're looking for. Sometimes your teacher may have changed this course offering code name, at which point you'll want to know what course they've actually changed that name to. So sometimes they may have changed it to Gomes Phys Ed period 1. Okay, this should all be kept in the teacher's supply folders. When you click into the course, then you should be able to access the class list, which is in the nav bar here. Click into the class list, and then you'll be able to see the class list here. Now, there are no users in this course, but we can add participants by clicking on the blue icon here, and then select Add Existing Users. Then you'll have to search for the name of the OT or the employee ID of this. I'm going to search for Tony Stark and select the magnifying glass. And I'm going to scroll down, find this teacher, select the name or select the checkbox, select the role as teacher, and then select the appropriate section. Then enroll selected users at the bottom. That teacher will now be inside the class list. You can leave this course now, but if we do go to the class list, you can see that they are now in there as a teacher. To unenroll the teacher, you simply click the box next to their name while you're in the class list and select unenroll. You'll have to click yes to confirm that. Then the teacher's gone.